In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Deriv account to MetaTrader 5 on your PC. Setting up your trading environment correctly is a crucial step, whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to make sure you are logged into your Deriv account. Open up your browser and head over to the Deriv website. Once there, use your credentials to log in. If you haven't created an account yet, hit that sign up button and follow the necessary steps to get started. Once logged in, look towards the top of the page where you'll find an option labeled Traders Hub. Click on it. This hub will be your go-to place for overseeing your trading activities and managing account settings. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so navigate with ease. Now, you'll want to select a broker from the options presented to you. Choose the one that corresponds to your trading needs. Remember, it's important to pick a broker that you trust and feel comfortable with, as this can greatly influence your trading experience. After making your choice, click on the broker's name. Here comes the crucial part. You'll need to copy your login ID. This ID is uniquely yours and acts as the key to your trading account, so handle it with care. Once you have your login ID copied, it's time to switch gears and head over to MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Launch the MetaTrader 5 application. Once it's open, look at the top left corner and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Open Account. This option allows you to integrate your trading broker details into the platform, setting the stage for you to start trading. Now, you need to find your broker within the MetaTrader 5 system. Use the search bar if necessary. Enter the broker's name and hit Enter. Upon finding your broker's server, select it and click Next to proceed. With your broker selected, it's time to enter your login ID and password. These details should be the same ones you use for your Deriv account. Input them carefully. Getting these wrong can prevent you from accessing your account. The final step involves selecting the correct server associated with your account. Make sure your details align with the options provided. Once you have confirmed the server choice, click Finish. You should now be fully connected. Your MetaTrader 5 is linked with your Deriv account. Congratulations! You are now ready to start trading on MetaTrader 5 using your Deriv account. Remember to always monitor your trades and stay updated with market news to make well-informed trading decisions. Thanks for watching and happy trading!